Hello, let's speed up and slow computer. So basically here, if your PC is taking forever to start up or lagging while you work, you don't need an actual new computer. You just need to turn up the one way how you can actually do this. The first fix is to disable the start on applications. So here I'm going to start here into my computer. When I sign in directly into my computer, usually just type Control Shift and Ask. What's going to happen here is going to be popping up the task manager. So what you want to do is to click to the start up application that appears into the left section. So once I click directly inside here, we have, as you can see, we have a lot of startups. So what you need to do is to look out for the one that you don't want to use to start up. And here what I'm going to be doing here is to click on them and look. For example, if you see an application like this, usually what you need to do is to hit into the element that says disabled. This won't delete the application, it's just going to stop it from slowing down your computer every time you turn this on. So if you change this for enable, I only have 4 enable applications. For example, Steam. I don't want to have Steam open once every time I logged in, so I'm going to disable this. As you can see, we have only 3 of them, right? So once you finish with this element, let's go for the second fix, which is the adjust the visual effect. Now, Windows 11 looks pretty with all its shadows, the animation, but those eat up a lot of your RAM. So you want to search your start menu inside here. You want to type adjust the appearance and performance for Windows. I'm going to click directly inside here. Into the windows that pops up, you want to focus into adjust the best performance for best performance. So just click into this element that says adjust for best performances and hit for the option that says apply, and then look out for the option that says OK. You can see that your computer will run a little bit more faster than it usually does. There we go. Now something else is the third fix, the hide power plan. So if you go, for example, for your control panel, you're going to focus for the element that says hardware and sound. So here I go for the element that says power options. Inside power options, you want to look out for the element that says high performance. By default, Windows tries to save a lot of battery or energy, so when you do this, this tells your CPU to run as its full potential whenever it's plugged in. You will notice the difference immediately in heavy applications. And for example, then I'm going to clear the temporary files. Once again, I'm going to go back into my settings. Directly here into settings, let's go for the element that says system and look out for the element down here that says storage. Now here, let's say that I go for yes, and here usually I want to look out for the element that says temporarily files. Now here into temporarily files, you want to remove this specific files that says remove files. So I want to refresh all of them. So this can be applications that can store temporal information in specific folders and can be cleaned up manually. So thumbnails, vertical shaders, Windows errors, all of those, you can go for the element that says remove, and there we go. Nothing else directly inside that. And the last fix that I can be giving you for the ultimate pro tip is that back again into the click the start button, hit into power, hit into the element that says restart. So this is the actual secret, because most people shut down their PC, but Windows 11 uses a feature called fast startup that actually keeps all errors in memory even when it's off. So to truly refresh your system, you must click into restart at least once a week. So this clears out the ghost processes that a normal shutdown leaves behind, and you're good to go. So did your PC just wake up? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Tech Daily for a daily dose of tech speed. Thank you for watching. See you next time.